Are you tired of Discord's boring default themes? Learn how to switch to light or dark mode, or unlock custom gradients with Nitro in under 2 minutes. First, I'll show you how to access the settings. Then, we'll quickly toggle between light and dark mode. Finally, I'll reveal the Nitro color themes. First, launch Discord. Then, click on the gear icon next to your username to open User Settings.
Now, in the left sidebar, select Appearance under App Settings.
Under Default Themes, you can choose Light Mode for a brighter look, or select Dark Mode if you prefer a darker interface. If you have a Nitro subscription, click on Color Themes to apply custom gradients and color combinations. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.